Hi, my name is Amir from Incremental, and I'm going to show you how to loosen this ball head on the Manfrotto BeFree GT Carbon. And this might work for other Manfrotto tripods, maybe even other tripods, not too sure about that one. So what you'll need is a pen or something small and pointy. You'll also need a mini Allen key. I'll put the sizing of this up on the screen. So first off, you take this little knob here and you push in your pen to the side so it pops out this little icon, and it fell on the floor. There we go. So make sure you don't lose that. And then you take your Allen key and you just pop it in here, and you can turn it to the left to loosen it. And you see that just fell apart because it's really loose now. I can turn it to the right, and then that will go way too tight, which is probably how you have it at the moment, and it won't even move. Even when you turn this knob, it won't even move. So you just need to make sure it's loose enough, but not too loose. There you go. I'm gonna have it around here. And even though it is quite loose right now, you can tighten the knob and it will stay in position. There you go. Job done. After that, you can put back on your little icon if you want to. You don't have to. It's probably going to fall out if you do. I'm probably going to take mine out later. But yeah, that's it. Nice and fixed. Okay, so if you want to help me out, feel free to like the video or not, or subscribe. Check out my other videos as well. So for creative learning resources, you can head to our Discord, and we also have a website so you can see what we're up to. All the best, and thank you.